Welcome. In this demo, I'll walk you through a complete environment promotion workflow from pull request to production using Argo CD, Argo Rollouts, and GitHub Actions. We'll see how code moves through 4 environments: pull request preview, development, staging, and production. Each environment uses different deployment strategies designed for its specific purpose. For pull requests, we use optional preview environments with an opt-in mechanism. For development, we employ blue-green deployments with manual promotion. For staging and production, we use canary deployments with automatic promotion. This demo focuses on the hands-on workflows. If you want to dive deeper into the architecture, concepts, and implementation details, check out the full comprehensive video at the link shown on screen. Let's get started with the pull request workflow. Pull request preview environments represent a powerful paradigm shift in the code review process. Rather than relying solely on code inspection, reviewers and stakeholders can interact with the fully functional deployment of the proposed changes in an isolated environment. This approach dramatically reduces the feedback loop and catches integration issues that might not be apparent from code review alone. However, creating preview environments for every pull request can be resource-intensive and unnecessary for minor changes. To optimize resource utilization, this strategy employs an opt-in mechanism. Preview environments are created only when explicitly requested by adding the preview label to a pull request. Let me walk you through the typical developer workflow for preview environments. First, create an issue to document the feature or bug fix following your team's conventions. Then create a feature branch from develop using a descriptive name, such as feature/user authentication. Next, implement your changes in the code base. Create a pull request from your feature branch targeting develop. If you want a live preview environment for review, add the preview label. Now verify the deployment. Confirm the Docker image appears in GitHub container registry with the tag PR- your PR number. Check that the Argo CD application is created and synced. Verify the Kubernetes namespace exists, and access the preview URL. Conduct your testing and gather feedback from reviewers. After approval, merge the pull request into develop. Finally, verify cleanup. Confirm the Argo CD application is deleted, the namespace is removed from Kubernetes, and the Docker image is deleted from GitHub container registry. When changes are merged into develop, the development environment workflow is automatically triggered, initiating the continuous deployment process. The development environment serves as the primary integration point where features from various development streams converge. This environment employs a blue-green deployment strategy with manual promotion, striking a balance between rapid iteration and controlled validation. All development environment resources are deployed to the dev namespace, maintaining clear separation from other environments. The application is accessible via the subdomain community-dev.servicefoundry.org with the -dev suffix clearly indicating the environment. The developer workflow for the dev environment follows these steps. First, merge your feature to develop by completing code review and merging the pull request. Verify the image build by confirming the Docker image appears in GitHub container registry with a tag matching the commit SHA in 7-character format. Verify the GitOps update by checking that values .yaml in the GitOps repository is updated with the new image tag and reviewing the automated commit message for accuracy. Monitor the Argo CD sync by observing the application sync status in the UI and confirming the new green version is deployed successfully. Validate the new version by accessing the green deployment for testing and performing functional validation and smoke tests. Then manually promote the green version to receive live traffic and monitor application health and metrics. Finally, access the application at the dev URL and conduct end-to-end testing as needed. The staging environment functions as a mirror of production, providing a final validation checkpoint before changes reach end users. Staging employs a canary deployment strategy with automatic promotion, reflecting higher confidence in code quality after successful validation in the development environment. The automatic promotion mechanism accelerates the delivery pipeline while maintaining safety through gradual traffic shifting and automated health checks. The developer workflow for staging involves several key steps. Merge develop to main by creating and merging a pull request after thorough validation in development. Verify the image build to confirm the Docker image is built and pushed with a tag corresponding to the merge commit SHA. Verify the GitOps update by checking that the staging values file is updated. Monitor the canary deployment by observing the canary progression in the Argo CD UI, watching traffic distribution across versions as it progresses from 0% through 20, 50, and 80% to completion, and monitoring application metrics and error rates during rollout. Verify automatic promotion by confirming the canary completes successfully and reaches 100% traffic with all health checks passing. Finally, access the application at the staging URL and conduct final pre-production validation. The production environment represents the culmination of the promotion pipeline, hosting the application version that end users interact with. Unlike the other environments that trigger on-branch commits, production deployments are initiated by creating Git tags, providing explicit version control, and enabling semantic versioning practices. The release workflow follows a comprehensive process. First, perform pre-release validation. Ensure all changes have successfully deployed and tested in staging. Verify no critical bugs or performance issues exist, and confirm stakeholder approval for the release. Then, create the Git tag, check out the main branch, and pull the latest changes. Create an annotated tag following semantic versioning, and push the tag to the remote repository. Verify the image build by confirming the Docker image is built with the release version tag and appears in GitHub container registry. Monitor the GitOps update by checking that the production values file is updated with the version and reviewing the deployment commit. Observe the canary rollout by monitoring the deployment progression in Argo CD, watching metrics dashboards for anomalies during traffic shift, and verifying health checks pass at each canary stage. Validate the production deployment by accessing the application at the production URL, performing smoke tests and critical path validation, and monitoring error rates and user-facing metrics. We've just walked through a complete environment promotion workflow from pull request to production. You've seen how each environment serves a specific purpose with its own deployment strategy. Pull request environments provide optional, on-demand previews for code review. Development uses blue-green deployments for manual validation. Staging and production leverage canary deployments with automatic promotion for safe, progressive rollouts. This automated pipeline eliminates manual deployment work while maintaining safety through progressive delivery and GitOps principles. Git remains the single source of truth for both application code and infrastructure configuration. The key benefits of this approach include complete automation from code commit to production, safety through progressive delivery strategies, developer productivity with preview environments, and operational excellence through clear environment separation. If you want to learn more about the architecture, implementation details, GitHub Actions workflows, Argo CD configurations, and Helm chart structures, watch the full comprehensive video at the link shown on your screen. In that video, we cover the complete technical details, including workflow triggers, conditional logic, Docker operations, GitOps updates, Argo CD application manifests, Helm chart patterns, and HTTP route configuration. Thank you for watching this demo. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out the full video for the complete deep dive.